What's up, guys? So I just got a package from Cedros Bay, new line, the Caribbean Escape soap sets. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is the inside. So you have each soap, and there's 4 soaps, all natural. I always love their packaging. Like, it is so impressive, the thought that goes into this, right? Turmeric and lemongrass soap actually helps revitalize your skin, brighten your skin, also helps open your pores to the calming effects of lemongrass. This is what the turmeric and lemongrass looks like. Gosh, it smells fantastic. If you love lemongrass, then you would know. In Trinidad, we call it fever grass, for those of you who don't know. Next, we have the pure coconut oil. This one helps soothe and condition your skin while removing dead cells and revives your complexion. Pure coconut oil. Oh, it has a hint of mint in it. You get the coconut, but it's a hint of mint in here. We have the charcoal and TeaTree. Activated charcoal helps draw out dirt, oils, and toxins from your body. The TeaTree helps for a smoother complexion. The charcoal and TeaTree, it smells like tea tree. Yeah. Gosh, it smells nice. I've never actually used a charcoal soap before. We have the sea salt and lime bar. This one helps exfoliate your skin with mineral-rich sea salt. It helps brighten your skin with the vitamin C found in lime essential oil. So this is the sea salt and lime. I can smell the lime. Yeah. I'm really excited to actually use the sea salt and lime because I love anything sea salt. I love it. All these products are locally made in Trinidad and Tobago, and they are all natural, all vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. It is the perfect products for each skin type. So guys, these products are only available on your Cedros Bay website from the 23rd of April. So you could pre-order right now to make sure and grab these. The 1st of May is their official launch date. They're available at all the locations nationwide, including Pennywise. For the next month, I'm going to be using these, and I will update you all with the ones that I like the most. That Cedros Bay came out with their own line of soap because, as I said, I use all natural soaps. I'm super pumped to try it. So head over to Cedros Bay page now and check out their website and pre-order yours, guys. Can't wait to try them.